paint sprayers are significantly faster than traditional brushes or rollers. In this evolving world of tools and equipment, everyone is adopting innovation for their specific field, so painters do too. Choosing automatic paint sprayers over the traditional method is a common practice for paint workers, but when opting for the best option in the competitive market, professionals get confused. That's why today we are going to talk about two prominent brands in the world of spray painters, Wagner and Graco. Although both brands share some commonalities, they have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Now let's dive into the intricacies of each brand so that you can make an informed decision for your next purchase. First thing that comes in our mind when buying a spray painter is their spraying method. In terms of that, both Wagner and Graco offer distinct approaches to cater to various painting needs. Wagner's lineup includes both airless and HVLP sprayers. It means you'll get a diverse range of options. The Wagner Control Pro 130 features high-efficiency airless technology and is a standout choice known for its ability to reduce overspray by 55%. This reduction is a crucial advantage for precision work, ensuring a clean and professional finish. Additionally, the Flex IO and Control Pro series offer versatility, accommodating projects of different sizes. From larger endeavors to more detailed work, Wagner's spraying methods are designed to adapt to a variety of applications. Graco, on the other hand, tailors its spraying methods to different user profiles. Models like the TrueCoat 360 are geared towards DIYers, providing them with an efficient tool for various projects. For professional use, Graco offers models like the Graco Ultra, Ultra Max, and Graco Magnum X19. These models can handle a wide range of materials. Plus, the incorporation of features like the Rack IV switch tip enhances the overall user experience, allowing for quick and effective adjustments during the painting process. Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes Tin Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with Tin Studio today. Often you struggle while setting up airless sprayers, but in this case, both Graco and Wagner airless sprayers prove to be a hassle-free experience, even for those new to the painting game. Each of the tools comes with some basic and detailed instructions so that you can complete the assembly process easily. While individuals new to the painting scene might initially find Graco sprayers slightly more intricate to set up, the overall experience is straightforward and proves beneficial for users seeking ease and convenience in the initial stages of the painting process. Next thing we are going to talk about is the foremost important segment to some people: performance. When evaluating performance, both Graco and Wagner showcase their strengths across various painting projects. Wagner's HVLP sprayers and utilization of high-efficiency airless technology result in reduced overspray levels, particularly advantageous for precision work. The continuous spray functionality, coupled with various tip sizes, enhance versatility, accommodating projects of various sizes. In contrast, Graco's airless units shine in terms of efficiency and power. These sprayers function at high pressures and adaptively handle any extensive range of material. Though they both hold power and performance efficiency from their place, you need to choose one for your specific job. Regarding usage, Graco offers a wide range of sprayers that are suitable for various skill levels and job demand. From DIY enthusiasts to experienced professional contractors, everyone can use Graco sprayers for their particular job. However, beginners might find Graco sprayers challenging due to their advanced features, but following the instructions properly can enhance the process. On the contrary, Wagner specializes in being user-friendly and is particularly well-suited for DIYers and home improvement projects. Wagner sprayers normally operate at low pressure, so it becomes a bit easier to control, and this aspect makes them valuable for those starting their painting projects. When it comes to overspray control, both Graco and Wagner deliver reliable and accurate results, ultimately saving time during painting projects. Wagner sprayers, celebrated for their affordability and user-friendly features, stand out for their exceptional ability to minimize overspray levels. This not only ensures a cleaner application process, but also contributes to a more efficient and cost-effective painting experience. On the Graco front, their systems, equipped with advanced features like the Rack IV switch tip, elevate overspray control to the next level. This becomes particularly advantageous for high-point jobs, such as multi-story homes, where precision and efficiency are of paramount importance. Wagner's airless sprayers are surprisingly affordable, contrary to expectations that advanced technology will cost a lot. Even their top models are priced above $200, offering cost-effective options for those seeking advanced spraying technology. As one of the most affordable yet efficient options for various projects, Wagner's HVLP sprayers range in price from $100 to $300. On the other hand, Graco positions itself at the higher end of the price spectrum, with top models exceeding $300. While this might initially appear as a considerable investment, the quality and longevity of Graco sprayers often justify the cost. Professional contractors who prioritize time and efficiency frequently find Graco sprayers to be a worthwhile investment. The durability and advanced features of Graco models contribute to their higher price point, offering a long-term solution for those who value high-performance painting tools. For professionals, the upfront investment in a Graco sprayer is often seen as a strategic choice that pays off in terms of efficiency and reliability over the lifespan of the tool. Finally, the decision between Graco and Wagner should be based on your specific needs and preferences. Wagner emerges as an excellent choice for DIYers and homeowners, characterized by its affordability, user-friendly features, and consistent performance. Conversely, Graco is meticulously designed for professionals and contractors, offering advanced features, operational efficiency, and a polished, professional appearance. It does not matter what brand you choose. Both Graco and Wagner assure that you are investing in high-quality tools that will provide years of reliable service with proper maintenance. What's your thought about them? Who's the best option to go with? Let us know in the comments section and subscribe if you want more videos on your feed.